Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you've been experiencing some frustrating lag or your Windows 11 seems to be running slower than a snail, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you some quick and effective fixes to get your system running smoothly again. So let's dive in. Before we start, make sure to create a system restore point, just in case you need to revert any changes. First up, let's make sure your system is up to date. Microsoft regularly releases updates to improve performance and fix bugs. Now let's check for any available Windows update. Right click on the Windows button and select Settings. In the Settings window, click on Windows Update, which you will find on the left sidebar towards the bottom. You are now in the Windows Update section. Here click on Check for updates. If there are any updates available, they'll start downloading automatically. While we're waiting for that, let's move on to the next fix. A common reason for lag is too many programs running at startup. Let's clean that up. Again, right click on the Windows bar and open Task Manager. In the Task Manager, click on the Startup tab. Here you'll see a list of programs that starts automatically when your computer boots up. Take a look through this list and identify any programs you don't need immediately upon startup. Right click on each unnecessary programs and select Disable. By doing this, you'll reduce the load on your system during boot up and run smoother. Next, let's free up some space on your hard drive with the disk cleanup. In the Windows key, type Disk Cleanup. Open the Disk Cleanup application. After that, you'll need to select your drive, usually the C drive, and click OK. Check the boxes next to the file types you want to delete, like temporary internet files and system created Windows error reporting. Then click OK and delete files. This process will remove unnecessary files and can significantly improve your system's performance. We've covered a lot, but these steps are just the beginning. If you're still experiencing lag, consider checking your system for malware, updating drivers, or even upgrading your hardware if it's older. Remember, keeping your system clean and updated is key to a smooth performance. For more tips and tricks, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Until next time, stay tech savvy, friends.